Hello everyone, welcome to education lecture. In this video I'll be showing you the English board exam question paper which recently had happened, that is 2020, this year's question paper. If you want I can show you. This is 2020 question paper, and here you have to write your register number once the question paper is given to you in the hand in your board exam hall. So the reason I am sharing with you this question paper is now many colleges have started online classes, and in these online classes they may be conducting tests around 25 to 50 marks. They won't be able to conduct a 100-mark question paper, which would need a lot of time. So I am there to share you with your people how a 100 marks question paper would look like. And I would like to share that from this year only they have given a answer booklet. That is, when you go to an exam hall while writing your exams, this question paper is also in a booklet form. You can see they have stapled. Same your answer, the answers which you write, that won't be in sheets. That will be in a booklet form, which will be around 40 pages would be given. In that first sheet, you have to fill up all the informations. That is your name, register number, subject, code, everything you have to fill. From the next page you have to write, and be careful, you have to not tear that booklet and it is separate the sheets. It will be stitched. So it is a 40 pages booklet. And yeah, this is your question paper. Means I can't say that this is only your original question paper which is going to come for your exam. It is a sample like. For you people, it is a sample like. So this year this question paper had come. I would like to share from now only, because during a board exam you will have an idea, right, how many questions would appear. So I don't want to delay. Yeah, time would be given 3 hours 15 minutes. So first 10 minutes they would give you this question paper handover. You have to just go at a glance and see your question paper. You have to not scratch, put a dot, use pencils in your question paper. So you will be debarred by the invigilator. So total marks is 100 and instructions are given. They have written like you have to not write extra question answers or repeat any questions. Yes, you have to not repeat any questions. The reason why you have to not repeat any questions is now if you write this first answer in the first sheet, and afterwards you write first answer in the last sheet. If you think you have a confusion with the answer, first if this answer is wrong. At last, if they see again the question paper, in the sense if they see again the same answer, there also your marks will be cut. Suppose your first answer is correct, and again you have a confusion, you have written that answer also, then the marks which is allotted for this question answer would be cut. They will cut that mark and you won't get any marks. So in your board exams or public exam, there is no half mark. They tell it, I don't know how they correct. They tell that there is no half marks, only 1 marks. I don't know how they correct it. And they tell you have to not write extra questions. According to me, if you say you can write, I don't know it is lawful or not, how the invigilator checks. But they say that they have given, say, answer the following in a word, a phrase or a sentence. 12 into 12. So 12 into 1 mark. 12 into 1. So 12 questions are given. Each question carries 12 marks. Yeah. If they have given any question for choice, or they say you have to write any 8 among the 10. So I would like to say that if you want to attempt extra question, or you have that much time limit, you think you can write an extra question, then of course it is on your wish. You can write, but I would prefer that if you are writing a first main, suppose you have a choice, or they say you have to write among 12, write any 10. If they say like that, if it is given in question, you want to attempt the extra 2 also. So what you can do is write the 10 and continue the number. That is, after 10, 11, 12 questions would be given, right? Continue and write, so that sometimes the invigilator may be correcting in a flow, just ticking mark and giving marks in a flow. She may correct. Or some invigilators who are strict, may just take and see why this child has written an extra. They may cut marks for that. Don't worry, for other questions and all you will get marks. Just for that extra one, they won't consider that mark. They would write just E extra in that near to that answer. You can write, but don't write it separately. If you write separately, of course they will get doubt, because they will count how many questions you have written. So I don't want to make you bored or feel stressed. You are not showing the question paper. Yes, I will show. Just I am giving you instructions from before only, because from now only if you start following those instructions, it will be useful for writing in your board exam. So first main 1 mark questions. They have given 1 to 12, and these 1 mark questions, if you have seen my previous videos, all similar to this, many 1 mark questions regarding each and every lesson I have given. So similar, same only have come. You can just see. It is just for your sample paper, that's all. I don't know your original paper how it comes. So 12 questions, the 1 mark questions, and this is second main. Answer any 8. I told right. Of the following questions, choosing at least 2 from poetry in the paragraph of 80 to 100. So 8 questions you have to write. Each carries 4 marks. Each carries 4 marks. That is 32. And you have to take 2 questions from poetry. So as I told in my previous videos, if you once understand the lessons, is more than enough to write all your brief answers. See, all these are your brief answers. You have to write, see, to the food from his child. Here they have given Romeo and Juliet. Each from the poem, whichever is comfortable for you, you can write. I think for writing extra question in this second main and third main would be a little risky only, because of writing extra question, and it is for 4 marks. You have to write little lengthy, right, to 80 to 100 words. So it will take a long time. If you are confident that you can write at least 1 extra, and of course it is your wish, you can write. But please note that you write continuous numbers. And at last, when you check your paper, see that you have written correct main number and the question number, because the invigilator should not get confused with your question numbers, and you have to not jumble here and there. If you want to write the answer at the last, write third main 23. So here they have given answer the following in about 200 words, which is 6 mark question. In this 3 you have to write any one. So whichever answer very thoroughly, you can write in this 3. Here also you have choice. If you want, you can write an extra question, but it is 6 marks and 200 words. Just see if you have that much time to complete. Yeah, next. And for those who think if they passing mark if they need is, I would like to say write all the 1 mark question answers. If you are very confident with it, then write 1 mark question. If you are very confident with all the answers, then this all the grammar part, if you are thorough with it, you will be getting around 56 or 55 marks. And if you write something related to the lesson, if you write in this second main and third main, you may be getting little marks. So that in this only, right, you are getting around 70 to 80 marks. So if you are perfect with everything, I hope all the viewers who are viewing this video will get out of out, or you will be crossing 90s. If you have seen my previous video, I am sure you would get that much marks. So this read the following passage and answer the question. So this is very easy to score marks. It is of 10 marks, and 10 questions would be asked. Each carries 1 mark. You have to read this passage. So don't think it is a long passage. It is easy only. It would be sometimes interesting also. So these are the questions, means related to the passage. 10 questions should be asked like this. Okay. And these are the grammar parts. Starts from here, and I will in my next further videos I will just revise grammar parts, which many of them make mistakes, get less marks in that. So I will be helping you out by teaching them. So this is read the following lines and answer the question. This is a poem, means not your lesson poem. In your grammar notebook, see they have given poetry, Ozymandias, Prayer of the Black Boy. So many poems are there, I think around 15. So from these only they will take around 4 lines. See here only they have given questions, same like that only. No need to by heart this poems and all. I want to ask you, if you just same like this passage you have to read and answer, like same like that only you have to read this read this stanza and write the questions whichever you have given, write for that answer. And I am saying you have to not write questions in your answer booklet. Waste your time by writing the questions and all. Directly write the answers with every subject, and every subject they will give an answer booklet. Don't worry. Okay, you will have enough pages to fill up your booklet with answers. So 5th main. So here you may not have seen 5th main, 26, 27, 28, 29. So I would like to say please write continuously. If you don't know any answer, leave few space or gap, then write it. Or you think that no I have written wrong, just put a scratch with your pencil, write again in your corresponding sheets, wherever you want to write, but see to it that it is understood by the invigilator, who is correcting your paper. It may be anyone. So then see to that you maintain neatly. And from here, like this blank they have given, right? For these and all you should write the questions, because it is filling the blanks with the right verb. So thapo 1. So you have to put a verb and put this word here. So thapo 1 was written by Rabindranath Tagore. And of course, if you study, or as I told in my previous videos, if you study the lessons whichever is given in your textbook only 2 to 3 times, so it will be there in your mind. If you read so many times, so automatically when you see a paragraph which is related to the lesson, you will get to know Thapo 1 was written by Rabindranath Tagore, a national poet. This is from everything I need to know I learnt in the forest. I can't say that regarding that lesson only they will ask you a question. They may ask any lesson also. So like that you have to fill with a verb. So it is 3 marks. Report the following conversation. So they have given from a sunny morning, Donna Laura, Don Gonzalo. It is 5 marks. Yeah, report the following conversation is, I will teach you in your next previous videos. That is report that speech, report writing is there. Both are there. In that this one is, so this one is a reported speech, because the dialogues are given, right? So it is a reported speech. How we have to write this reported speeches? It is given in your textbook, in your workbook or grammar book. Reported speech they have given. So they would have given like this dialogues. Okay, so these dialogues you have to write as paras. They won't give you like this blank and all. Please, you should only form a para and write. So in my next upcoming videos, I will update this one also about a grammar, reported speech and report writing. Don't get confused. So you have to write a para correctly and do not lose the marks in this, because many will lose this in this only marks because of not applying linkers properly. And this I think everybody would feel easily. Complete the following dialogue. So you have to write, you have to write precise dialogue only. Whichever dialogue you are in your mind you are getting idea. So according to that you can write. It is 4 marks. But see to that you apply your linkers properly and see the words are correct, whichever you are writing. And this is fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate expressions given in the bracket. So for this and this, like fill up kind questions and all, you have to write this question, then only write it. For this no need to write, I told you have to write a para. Means do you brush your handkerchief? As you can write Donna Laura asked Don Gonzalo that does he uses his handkerchief as a shoe brush. So Don Gonzalo replied, why not? So like that you have to frame a para and write. Yeah, and here they are given you in brackets the precise answer you have to write, correct answer. It is 2 marks, 2 blanks, so 2 marks. Is that all right? No. Yeah. Sorry. Fill in the blanks with right linker. So correct linker you have to write. This also is given in brackets. So according to the stanza, according to the sentence, you can fill in this words. Next, 6th main. We have given a passage, make notes by drawing and filling the boxes. I would like to say don't waste your time by drawing this. Many may think it would look neat, give me extra marks, nothing like that. Answer is correct means you will definitely get marks. So they would give this para. You have to see in this para correctly. See, the hospital as we see today began to evolve only around 19th century. So in short, you can use this method in your studies also in any subject. You can just, if a big answer is there and you want to write the day year which had started, for what reason, what are the benefits, like that only this is also. So the hospital began was 19th century. Live in better conditions. People felt, so you have to fill like this, read this. Same like passage filling only it is. Okay. Next. If you have seen my previous video, this would be very easy. That is your letter writing. So same, if you have seen my previous video, you'll understand at a glance when you see this. So this is a letter and it is for 5 marks. And as I told in my previous video, they will only give, see, XXX for name, Y, and they have only given apply for qualifications, so and so, and the date. Please note the date. Means not knowing, please see the date when you are writing your exams in your letter. And this is, imagine you are a secretary of a college union, being organized. This is speech writing. So if you are good at speech writing and you won't make any grammatical mistakes, of course you can write your speech writing. It is for 5 marks. 5 marks. And last to an end, you can write speech writing, or you can do this. This is a report writing. Don't get confused. Report writing. You have to write a report by seeing this pie chart. So you can write the given chart represents the income and expenditure of a urban family in a metropolitan city. So the food and clothing is 40%, so and so. Can fill it by seeing this. So yes, in your speech writing means you have to write a few own sentences. If you have a very good idea of speech writing and you're good at making sentences, framing it, and of course you can write. Those who are not comfortable while writing speech writing, you can of course go with your alternate, that is report writing. In this is very easy. You have to just see this and make frame sentences according to it, just making comparison that how much a family is spending on each of this. These and all detailedly I will explain in my further new updates, that is further new videos. This is last main, 7th main, underlined. What do the underlined words in the following extract refer to? This main is also easy, but 1 or 2 questions will be different. That is, Huang Tasang came to India to learn about people who lived here. So, who means people. So, what does this word resemble? Here means in India. So, he was always, he means Huang Tasang. So, according to the word, whichever the person it resembles, you have to write that only. So, this also if you write first question, 7th main, 34, 1, who refers to so and so, here refers to so and so. Okay, this is 4 marks. And last, rearrange jumble sentences, segments or sentence words, anything. to form a meaningful sentence. So jumbled sentences are given. Own, every its language country has. So every country has its own language. 1 mark. That's all. Finish your so last sheet, nothing is there. Over. So this is only your English question paper, board exam question paper, and this is how it looks like. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel to get further new updates. So like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and comment so that when I would know that whether you have understood or didn't understand anything regarding anything in this video, or you have any teaching problem when I am saying anything, you can comment in the comment box so that it will encourage me to do my further new videos. Thank you.